everyone, it's me Adiba Ashin and I have prepared this 3D model of teeth of human body. This model represents different types of teeth and their work. If we will talk about, there are 4 types of teeth: molars, premolars, canines and incisors. And their work is, incisors help us to cut the food, canines help us to tear the food and hold it, premolars help us to crush the food and molars help us to grind the food. Here it is shown below here. Here molar, how it looks from inside and how it looks from outside. Molars are 6 in number, premolars are 4 in number, canines are 2 in number and incisors are 4 in number. The fun fact is that a human body can have 32 teeth, but a shark can have 3000 teeth at one time. And here it has teeth.
They are also called as cuspids, pointed, sharp teeth located on the either side of the incisor. They play a key role in tearing and cutting food. Third one is the premolars. Premolars are also called cuspids, transitional teeth located between the canines and molars. They play a crucial role in gritting and crushing the food. Fourth and the last one is the molars. Molars are the large flat teeth located on the back of the mouth. They play a role for grinding and crushing food. Now Taiwan will tell us about the enamel and the gums. Enamel, it is the outer layer of the teeth. It is the hard substance in our human body. Gums, they play a role. Tell us about the enamel and the gums. Enamel, it is the outer layer of the teeth. It is the hard substance that is present in our human body. Gums, they help us in oral health and protect the teeth. Now we studied about premolars and molars and about the enamel and gums. These all type of teeth work together and play a crucial role in the digestion. Thank you.
Swallow the food. Here is epiglottis. It covers the windpipe whenever we eat the food. And if we will talk about, this is the model that will help you to know about not only help in digestion but also help in and also give structure to the face.
What is enamel? It's enamel. Enamel is the outermost part of the teeth and hardest part of the human body, which protects teeth from bacteria. So now I will tell you about the dentine. This is dentine. Dentine is located underneath of the enamel and is not hard as enamel. So it also protects teeth from bacteria.
Now what's spine?
Everyone, we are the students of class 6 Jasmine have come and prepared the significance and all about the marigold. So the cultural importance of marigold is, in Indian culture, marigold flower known as genda holds significant importance. Its bright colors, especially orange and yellow, are associated with positivity and prosperity, representing all about the religion. It is also known as the way between a bridge between two worlds. Importance of marigold in biodiversity. Marigold flower plays a significant role in biodiversity by acting as a source of food and habitat for various pollinators and beneficial insects as well as deterring pests.
Now I am going to tell you about the germination process of marigold. First we take the seeds of marigold and then we keep them into the soil. Then this germination process happens and then this seed becomes into a sprout, then it becomes into a seedling plant and then it converts into a plant with buds and after that it becomes a plant with flowers and after that it bears its fruits and this process continues and becomes the marigold flower is. After this process we get the final marigold.
So we have prepared the pot of marigold in which we use a pot, soil and the plant of the marigold.
I, from the lab from class 7, had made a presentation or a project given by our science teacher on teeth and how they look inside our gums. So there are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. If we talk about incisors, they are 2 in numbers in the front. They help us to chew the normal foods. Then canines, they are there one on each side of the Yeah, they helps us to chew some things like flush, etc. Then molars and molars, which are here present, then they helps molars and molars. They helps us to chew the food, which is easy for saliva to get absorbed and moist it, which is the most important part in digestion.
My name is Aisha Shahid from class 6 to
My name is Sabah from class 6 to 12.
My name is Prathalan from grade 6 to 12. From this glow box, we can see many things, we can find many things, and this glow box is used for scientists and astronauts.
So in glow box there are clouds, there are magnifier, there are rocks, and there are these clouds.
This glow box is used for scientists and astronauts to find many things in space.
Now, this magnifier is used to see rocks closer and to see which rock is this.
Okay, these bowls are used to carry acid, to carry dangerous acid in it, and also medicine, and they can also put a label on it which medicine or which acid is present in it.
These gloves are used for to keep their hands clean. And a very warm good afternoon to all. It's me, Saksa Nisar, representing myself in front of you. Today my project is about angles and lines. What are angles and lines? Angles and lines are basic concepts of geometry. First, what are angles? First one is acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which is measuring less than 90 degree. Now second one is right angle. Right angle is an angle which is exact 90 degree. Now third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree and greater than 180 degree. Now what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines that are equidistant from each other and never meet. Thank you.
And a glorious afternoon to my dear friends. Myself Sabah with my project that is on lines and angles. So what are lines? Lines are connecting of small dots are called lines. When these two lines meet each other, they form angles. So angles are of different types. I will define one of them, that is corresponding angle. So corresponding angle, when two rays meet each other, they form corresponding angles. In corresponding angles, some of the angles have same measures, just like here. Angle 1 is measure same in angle 5. Just like here, angle 1 is here and angle 5 is here. So just like angle 1, how much measure it has, it is also angle 5 has also that same. So angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 is here and angle 6 is here. Angle 4 and angle 7. Angle 4 is here and angle 7 is here.
Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. As well that I am Aisha Shafiq from class 6 to 12. So today I am here to give a presentation on lines and angles. So what are lines and angles? These are the main and basic components, concepts of geometry. So first of all we have ray. What's a ray? A ray which has starting point but doesn't have end point. It can go endless. Then we have line which doesn't have starting point as well as ending point like a road. Then we have line segment which has starting point as well as ending point. So now there are directions, horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line goes right and left, then vertical line goes up and down like a tree. Then we have parallel lines which doesn't meet each other no matter how they long are. Then we have intersecting lines. They meet at each other at a point. Then we have perpendicular lines which meet at a point but they form 90 degree angles. Then we have concurrent lines. When three or more lines intersect at a point at the same point.
Good morning friends. My name is Idin Joy from class 6th section Road. Today I prepared presentation on types of angles. First type of angle is acute angle. An acute angle is measure more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree like this. Now we will move to another one. Another one is right angle. A right angle is an angle which is exactly 90 degree like this. Now we will move to another one which is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree like
From a presentation about 6 types of angles. So let me start. First we talk about obtuse angle. Here is the diagram of obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180.